Disruptive technology by definition is changing the paradigm.
I think we should not try to deal with disruption in technology in any negative way.
When it comes to life, humanity, and the betterment of people and the human species, disruption is the way forward.
What's going to happen is going to happen, and we should rather figure out how to deal with disruption in a positive way.
It is a natural outcome of a lot of innovation and bright minds and sparks that happens when people collaborate.
When you have a disruptive model, most people will either laugh at you or call you stupid. But the challenge is that these are the same disruptive models which are going to change the game of the entire space.
The role of policy is not to slow down innovation in any sense, or not to stop the flow of technology.
Policy should not really try to stop disruption from happening, right? So policy should actually aid the disruption.
So policy can never catch up with technology and disruption. That is one of the biggest challenge of policy today. I wish policy could be as dynamic as the technology we are dealing with.
So adverse effect of disruption is probably going to come around if there is a chance of creating monopolies. That's something that policy can change.
Policy makers, instead of trying to ban or put all kinds of restrictions on newer disruptions, they should actually have a dialogue and they should understand what is the new paradigm.
For example, there are these assetless marketplaces which are coming up all over the world, and policy should actually push this disruption, because the market is going to change anyway.
Think about policymakers when the bullock cart was the primary mode of transportation and the cars came in. I'm sure policymakers had a lot of problems trying to deal with all the bullshit, as we say. But it was the cars which finally won. And I think the next disruption, whether it is in transportation, healthcare, fitness, is going to happen. And policymakers may have to get out of the way to make this go forward.